In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can save time reconciling your bank statements in Xero. Xero have made reconciling bank transactions easier by having access to bank feeds, bank rules, and auto suggestion. Another quick and easy way to save time reconciling your outstanding bank transactions in Xero is by using cache coding. Cache coding gives you the ability to quickly code bank transactions by allowing you to bulk code a number of transactions with the click of a button, using shortcut keys. To get to cache coding, simply click on the cache coding tab on any of the bank account screens. You can access it straight under your bank account, found next to the Reconcile tab. Click on cache coding and it will take you straight to that screen. You can click on the dashboard and access it from the dashboard screen by either click on reconcile your outstanding bank account items or by clicking on manage and then click on reconcile account. And then that takes you to the same screen I was at before, and then you can click on cache coding. You can also access it by clicking on the accounts tab at the top of the screen and then you select bank accounts. Again, you can either select the hyperlink bank account name or you can click on manage account and reconcile account. Again, it will take you to the same screen we were at before and then you can click on cache coding. Once we're in that screen, you will see that all your bank accounts are sorted into columns by date, payee, reference, description, spent and received. By having these columns, you can then sort your transactions either via date, by payee. Once we click on, I find it easier to reconcile accounts using the payee screen. So once I click on the payee, I select the top transaction I have outstanding. If I hold down the shift key, I can then reconcile all the transactions that have the same payee. You can autofill these transactions based on any information you provide in any one of these lines. So I will show you an example now. This transaction relates to travel. If I tab across the columns, I can then reconcile all of these transactions at the same time. I then select account. Again, it will be travel and it's national. The GST rate is GST on expenses. Click tab. I can ignore the region for the time being, and then that's already pre-filled all my transactions and I can click save and reconcile. The other thing I could do on this screen is also create a bank rule for these transactions. I know these are going to come in weekly or daily and I know they're going to be to travel and it's going to be to the same account 493. So if I want to save myself time, I can just create a bank rule by clicking on this little drop down at the right hand side of the screen and click bank rule. It will take me to the create bank rule account where I can go ahead and save this as an automatic transaction. I'm not going to do that today. I will show you that in another video on bank rules. And if you have any questions in regards to cache coding, please feel free to call Lister Mason and we'll happily help you with any queries you have. Thank you.